From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
We've been mainly quiet across the area today. Clouds have been around with us. Temperatures a little on the cool side, but scattered showers and thunderstorms are off to the west with a cold front that's approaching. Those will be moving into the area later tonight, likely after 10 p.m. to midnight, going through the morning hours of Saturday. So rain chances once again on the way. Now we're holding on to maybe an isolated sprinkle or shower chance for the evening, but for those of you that have plans with high school graduations tonight, other outdoor activities, weather overall in the local area looking just fine. There may be a sprinkle here and there. Temperatures this evening in the lower 70s, dropping into the mid 60s as we head deeper into the overnight and early Saturday morning. Notice after we move past 10 p.m. to midnight, the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms increases across the area, especially the early to mid-morning hours of our Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms look to be pretty likely, even though they're going to be scattered, which means that not every single person will get them. It's just likely they'll be out there moving in after midnight, maybe from popping up on the remnant outflow of the originals if the original thunderstorms themselves don't move in. But notice how they're scattered in nature. That means we can't pinpoint a specific town and say, yes, you're going to get rain, but the chance that it will be out there in the overall area is pretty high, carrying into the morning hours, maybe the midday. A few of these storms could be strong with some gusty winds. Not a big severe weather threat, but can't rely on a stray severe thunderstorm warning for some gusty winds or small hail. As we get into the midday, as the actual front moves in, maybe some redevelopment over North Alabama, but that will be ending pretty early into the afternoon. So I think by 2 o'clock, for our viewing area in southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama, this will be winding down, if not before then. Highs up in the 70s tomorrow. And then we have cooler air filtering in tomorrow evening. We'll get down to the low to mid 50s for overnight lows Saturday night into Sunday morning. And again on Monday morning as well. Mixed with sun and clouds for our Sunday. And then maybe a few showers again early next week as we have low pressure to the south, wrapping moisture back in. There's the question of the exact coverage of those showers, but we'll hold in shower chances for the first half of next week before we go into a slightly drier and warmer pattern toward the second half of next week. Low to mid 70s for our Saturday, mid 70s Sunday, and then we warm up back into the lower 80s by the middle of the week. Maybe the mid 80s as we head into the latter part of next week. Watching the tropics carefully, not a lot going on. And like we talked about this week in our tropical updates, the Atlantic hurricane season doesn't start until June 1st, but we are getting closer. So we're getting into that mindset to start watching things, but no tropical development expected for at least at minimum the next 7 days or beyond that. But as always, we'll be watching things very carefully as we bring the forecast back home. Showers and thunderstorms scattered but likely through the morning and midday hours of Saturday. Locally heavy rainfall, gusty winds possible. Daytime highs in the low to mid 70s on the Tennessee side of the state line because the cooler air moves in just a little earlier. Mid to upper 70s. A few folks near 80 degrees over northwest Alabama. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, scattered but likely, otherwise mostly cloudy. And down here where the cold front moves in a little slower, especially closer to I-65, Limestone, Lawrence, Morgan counties of Alabama. This may last until 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but otherwise a lot of this winding down by the midday hours. Here's your 7-day forecast. Morning and midday scattered showers and thunderstorms for Saturday, dry for Sunday, and then a few showers here and there as we head through the first half of next week, warming toward Thursday and Friday. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.